Right now, the Moto E series includes the most affordable phones that Motorola makes, and this year Motorola has already launched a phone under the E series named the Moto E6S. But soon, Motorola is going to launch the Moto E7 Plus, and this is the successor to the Moto E6 Plus that launched last year in September. Now, while we don't have the launch date for the E7 Plus, Motorola is launching its Razr 5G foldable phone on 9th of September, so maybe the E7 Plus launches at the same event. Whatever the case is, we know that it is launching very soon. Now today we got to know some major specifications of the Moto E7 Plus as they were shared by Evan on Twitter. So talking about the specifications first, the Moto E7 Plus is coming with the Snapdragon 460 chipset. Now this is the latest addition to the Snapdragon 400 series as it was launched this year. Compared to the Snapdragon 450, which was the previous best chipset from Qualcomm under the 400 series, the Snapdragon 460 offers some significant improvements. First, it is based on the 11nm manufacturing process, which means it is not only more powerful but also more efficient than the Snapdragon 450, which is based on the 14nm process. Second, there is the Kryo 240 CPU, which offers a massive 70% performance boost over the CPU of Snapdragon 450. Finally, there is the Adreno 610 GPU, which offers 60% performance boost over the Adreno 506 of the Snapdragon 450. In short, the Snapdragon 460 is a really powerful chipset from Qualcomm for the budget smartphones. The Moto E6 Plus had the Helio P22 chipset, but since Helio P22 was slightly better than the Snapdragon 450, it is definitely no match for the Snapdragon 460. So when we talk about the performance, the Moto E7 Plus is really a big upgrade over the Moto E6 Plus. Talking about other specifications, the Moto E7 Plus has a 5000 mAh battery, which is much bigger than the 3000 mAh battery of the E6 Plus. Finally, there is a dual camera setup on the back that includes a primary 48 megapixel camera. The new night vision mode is also there for the E7 Plus. Now when it comes to the design, we have seen the live images of the phone and they show a water drop notch on the front and a vertically placed camera setup on the back along with the fingerprint scanner. The camera setup also has the laser autofocus system. There is a USB Type-C port on the bottom, and while the back looks like it is made of glass, it is most likely glossy plastic. As I said in the beginning, the Moto E7 Plus is expected to launch alongside the Motorola Razr 5G, but that is not yet confirmed. Anyways, what do you think of this new budget phone from Motorola? Do let me know via the comment section below. As always, I'll catch you in the next one.